If you're looking for hairstyles that give you aura, then you've clicked on the right video. These 5 hairstyles instantly make people notice you, and when you get noticed, you naturally feel more confident and charismatic. Here are the top 5 aura-boosting hairstyles for men. The slick back. This classic style never goes out of fashion. It's clean, smooth, and shows you're serious and ready to take on anything. Number 4. The middle part. It's simple, balanced, and makes you look cool and confident. It gives off a bit of a mysterious vibe, like you're the main character. Number 3. The modern mullet. It's bold, daring, and totally unique. This look definitely turns heads, and people can't help but notice you. Number 2. The side part. Classic and flexible. Whether you're going casual or fancy, a side part adds a touch of style without even trying. Number 1. The buzz cut. Simple, strong, and powerful. A buzz cut shows off your face and your confidence. Nothing extra, just pure energy. These hairstyles aren't just about looks. They give you power. Which one will you try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to level up your style.